This is Phinens. He is 42 inches tall from his head to his feet. The hands are carved out of wood. The head is completely carved out of wood. Its mouth works good. The back is cut out so you can get your hand in here good. He comes dressed as seen here with these clothes. You see it's just a ring lever, which works really good, and you can use either hand, your thumb or your finger, work good with either hand. You can see that he is bald up top here. So if you're interested in him, you can contact me on my Facebook page. Thanks for watching.